Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I wanted to share my Amazon Basics shredder today. This is an 8-sheet shredder. I've had a heavy duty one before that you could stick 16 pieces in, and I just thought it was too much power for us. I was nervous something was going to happen to my kids. So we got this one. Which easily does the entire mail. I don't have to open it anymore, go through the paper cuts. It also shreds credit cards really easily. And then when it's full, you can see because there's a little clear window to show when the shredder needs emptied. It has reverse that works really well. You just pop open the top. There's a handle here. You can empty right into your recycling. There is no way my kids can get their fingers caught in it. There's a little guard here to keep them from going inside. The price was really, really good too. 4.1 gallon, so weighs about 8.5 pounds. Just exactly what we needed, and that's our point of view.